Good morning, students. I am Rajendra sir. Our next online class of class 9 Information Technology. Today I am going to learn about non-impact printers. Dear students, this is our lecture number 11. Today's date 27th of April. Unit 1 Session 2 Topic number 6. You already know in our previous class impact printers. Dear students, you know I think non-impact printers printing quality is so poor. So non-impact printers in printing quality the best and good quality than impact printer. So is the best printer of non-impact printers today. Dear students, non-impact printers do not allow physical contact between the printing head and paper. Only the ink used for printing touching the paper. Non-impact printers have gained popularity because they are quieter than impact printers and have better print quality. The non-impact printers are categorized as thermal printers, inkjet printers and laser printers. I hope you already well understands what is the picture quality of non-impact printers as compared to impact printers. So now non-impact printer is the best printer as compared to non-impact printers. Our non-impact printers example as thermal printers. Dear students, thermal printer use a special heat sensitive paper. The standard of print produced in poor thermal printer are widely used in battery powered equipment such as portable calculators. Dear students, character are formed when heated element come in contact with the heat sensitive paper, thus forming the dark dots. So as compared to impact printers, good quality of the thermal printers, printing quality. Now our next inkjet printers. Now inkjet printer is the best printers. They produce image by spraying tiny droplets of ink onto the paper. They have very high quality output and can also produce color graphics. These printers are less noisy. The average quality of inkjet printer is 300 dpi. Dpi means dot per inch. Dear students, in inkjet printers today are very popular printers because using inkjet printers we can our capturing the photographs using our digital studios, so our produce best quality of our image. In inkjet printer, the average quality of inkjet printers is 300 dpi, already know. Although few latest model offer higher resolution. Inkjet printer use colored cartridge with combined magenta, yellow and cyan into the inks to create the color tones. A black cartridge is also used for tips monochrome output. They are cheap and ideal for the home office. The cartridge is quite costly and need to be replaced more frequently. Dear students, using inkjet printers, so more costables any other printers, uh, inkjet printers, any other printers at the best quality of the printing in our papers. Now our next, laser printers. These printers use photocopy technology to print the quality of output on paper. Is very good. They can also produce very high quality image. They can print about 6 to 10 pages per minute. They have very high resolution ranging from 600 to 1200 dpi, that means dot per inch. They have very high resolution ranging, and these types of printers mainly use the large organization need, such as photocopy machines. In our schools also used printing in our examination sessions, need more question printings in the and other business purpose in examples in your market. So different types of laser printers available. So laser printer is the best printers using photocopy machines. Dear students, our non-impact printers also finished and types of printers also finished. So I hope you are well understands. Dear students, is very important question for periodic test. Our next video class also start tomorrow. So difference between, difference between impact printer or non-impact printers. So your homeworks and try to understand, write your answers, difference between impact printer and non-impact printers. One type say, dear students, one topics is left in the types of monitor. So I try to understand touch screen monitors. Dear student, touch screen is a special monitor that allow to use to input information by touching the icons or graphical buttons present on the screen. One can enter only a limited amount of data by using touch screen technology. Touch screen monitor is the best examples of ATM machine. It is also used in ATM machine, office and cinema plexes to reply the desired information. Touch screen monitors are used in many supermarkets, many museums to give information about product and object of the historical importance respectively. Thank you, students.